ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Charger. It is the RT model, beautiful 5.7 liter Hemi, silver with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, heated seats, fog lights, 23,000 miles, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. See, your lower grille here is cracked. Your front bumper, your front hood looks good. Your fender looks pretty nice. Your front driver's rim, very nice. Does it have some curbing? There's a dirt. And some curbing there, about 2 inches. Another one. Actually, that's dirt. That's dirt. Really curbing here, about two inches there. Check out your tire thread, which is under 432nd. This door looks good. This rear door looks good in this quarter. Looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? Yeah, about 3 to 4 inches right there. Your tire thread back here is over under 732nds, over 4. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Push start system. Does come with 2 keys, 2 key fob combos, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your heated seat stuff right there. Got your AC controls right down below. So you can see it is dual AC controls. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And as you can see, there's your mileage of 060 76. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keep it moving. Turn on the fog lights. Open up the trunk. Boom. Oh, of course, here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. You got an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Your rear bumper does have a few chips. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to 5 chips back here. That's about it. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Gargantuan for a sedan. This is what your trunk space looks like. Dude has a spare tire there, and tucked away your owner's manuals back there. Got a nice rear spoiler. Your quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Got some splotches of curbing there, as you can see. Over 732nds, your tire thread back here. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear, the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips of that one either. And your front fender looks pretty good. This is what your front passenger rim looks like. It is curved up from here to here. And your tire thread under 432nds here. Lights are working. Everything is working. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2016 Dodge Charger RT Hemi model with 23,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.